First of all, they're not questionable procurements, and I just beg to differ.
A testy exchange today over an emergency contract related to the state's vaccine campaign. Comptroller Peter Franchot questioned why the contract with the private company Ernst & Young soared in cost without going through normal procurement. The amount of the contract was originally $3.8 million, but the state health department increased it to $25 million and extended it through October. When Franchot questioned the need for continued spending by the state on an emergency basis, the governor fired back.
This is a year after the start of the pandemic, and back then we had a real crisis. I understand that, and I understand the necessity for emergency procurement contracts. I think that era has perhaps served its purpose. And
Mr. Comptroller, I would just totally disagree with that. The era is not past. We're in the worst and most important part of the emergency.
Since the pandemic started, the state has spent hundreds of millions of dollars without normal oversight by the state spending board. The governor accused the comptroller of trying to hold up the vaccine process.
We have had an opportunity previously to get competitive bids. And I think
would you suggest that we hold up the effort, to stop the effort with the 4 million vaccines? So we still got to do another 4 million vaccines? I mean, you know, 500,000 Marylanders have been infected and 40,000 have been hospitalized and nearly 9,000 have died. It is an emergency and we don't have normal processes that are set up for this.
I just view this as a form of misuse and abuse of emergency procurement regulations. I think it's completely unacceptable to see this arise again and again and again. And it raises the question, are we doing intentional bypassing of the board's critical authority to provide oversight of the state's procurement system?
When I lift the state of emergency, then we can go back to a long drawn-out procurement process.
In the end, the board approved the contract. Also today, on the topic of pandemic spending, the comptroller announced a new top-to-bottom review, as he called it, of all of the money spent during the pandemic. Where is the money gone, and has it reached those most in need? I'm Jane Miller, WBAL TV 11 News.